Hello friends, happy Friday evening. It is Melissa with Junk and Craft Treasures on the Essential Stencil page. We are going to work with some transfers. We're going to make a cute little tray tonight. And we're going to be working with these transfers. I love these transfers. I have so many ideas for these transfers, guys. Okay, so we have three, y'all, I knew the sizes. So each one of these is 5 inches long by 19 inches long. And then we have these little strips right here that are 2 inches wide. We are going to be using Carriage House Green today and some white, and then we're going to use some brown. And I'm just giving it one good coat of my Carriage House Green, and then I'm going to do the sides. All right, so we're going to let those continue to do their thing. And then I'm going to take my other two colors. I'm just going to put those right here. And I'll give those a good sanding here in a minute because I know they're not completely dry, but we'll get there. 60 degrees for Christmas. I'm telling you, it wasn't that wintry Christmas that y'all know I always do my brush to the side. This color, unlike the green, is gonna need 2 coats. So we will do these super quick. All right, let me get this dry. Light sanding. Yeah, I think we'll be fine. I think it'll probably take us about 40 minutes to get this done. We will see. All right, so then we do that second coat again, holding my brush to the side. See the much more even coverage there. Now I'm going to take a high grit sandpaper. This is a 400. Little sanding. Let's do a stain over this just because I don't want it bright white. We're gonna let's use our walnut. And I want this to be rustic. Like I said, you can always go with what we have, take it another step, don't take it another step. All right, so we're gonna take, this is dark walnut. Just making sure I got my water bottle over there. And I'm just gonna apply this over the top. And then we're gonna wipe it back. And real quick, look, I want, okay? So can you see the difference? I know you can see the difference in the middle. Okay, so to hold up, can y'all see the difference now? So this piece looks like it's been around for a while. This piece looks like it's brand new. I'm gonna use wax on the green part, but what we're gonna do, real quick, I'm gonna tape this down. We're gonna use white paint. So this is gonna be an everyday tray. So we'll have it, we can put stuff on it. Oh, y'all, I love that. We can put stuff on it. We can y'all see that? I'll hold it up for y'all. I know font is so delicate and pretty. Love it. Okay, now we are just gonna take some pretty flowers. We are gonna put them everywhere. If we wanted to, we could have put some of these down before we did. Actually, I want to put this down so I can see what I'm doing here. I knew there was a reason I was doing that, but I couldn't remember what my reason was. Okay. So let's grab our scissors. Okay, so what I want to do, and this is not glued down yet, so remember that, but I'm going to use this up here in the corner. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Hang on, I'm gonna scooch it for you. I want to use this one up here in the corner where I want it with this laid down. Just make sure it's dry like we talked about. It's had time to dry, but when you have that water-based stain on there, I've already sanded it and all those things. Okay, so see what we have, y'all? We brought it all the way down, so when this is up, hang on one second, what do I want to do? So we're going to use probably 8 or 9 transfers, but remember how many transfers come with this. You've got a lot of different flowers for sure. Probably doesn't make a lot lot of sense when I said somewhat centered. There we go. Y'all, is this not gorgeous? I can see it, like the reverse angle. So pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for a second. So we have made this into a tray. Y'all, doesn't have to be. You could take, let's turn it around real quick, maybe. So you could take this and take some of the boards like we have and cut them up to 3 and make your own sign. Don't have to have the sides on it. This could be a beautiful sign on its own. What do y'all think? I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all. We're not gonna glue it, just so you can see what it looks like. All right, so that'll go right there. Always easy to fix. And remember, we sanded this already, so then we'll just come over it with a little bit of that sand and no one would know the difference, okay? Because we hadn't sealed it yet. Now, if we would have sealed it, we wouldn't have had to do all of that. But let me turn this around for y'all. Y'all, this is so pretty. I love it. So it'll be like this on each corner. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? It's kind of hard for me to get it completely on screen when it's not all glued together. But like I said, I'll use a mixture of wood glue and stick fast. We'll get these together first, let them dry, and then we'll apply this on the end, y'all. I hope y'all love it. I hope y'all love it. I hope it inspires y'all. I am going to take that off because, like I said, it does make a cool sign. So I appreciate y'all hanging out with me tonight, guys. So be safe, have fun, and I will see y'all in 2026, guys. Be blessed. Bye-bye.